A powerful storm system brings in warm air, then causes a flash freeze with high winds, with snow, and with some cold. Michigan, we're about to kind of go through it here. Now, this is recorded on the 17th, valid for December 18th and 19th. Overall, you can see there's a little clock at the very top of your screen there, and this is at 9 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. We're going to start to see the rain come on through. Notice that gets heavier. This is noon on Thursday. You're starting to see kind of two bands form here a little bit. We'll have one out ahead of everything, feeding off the warmth and, believe it or not, a little bit of moisture in the air, and then another one along the actual front coming on through that's over Lake Michigan here. By the time we get into 3 o'clock, I think that line over central part of the state and the lower peninsula is going to have the possibility for some thunderstorms with it, believe it or not. You might hear a crackle of thunder out there, see a flash of lightning. By the time we get toward 5 o'clock, though, this is the evening commute over in Detroit, we could have some thunderstorms coming down, really slowing things down there. But the west side of the state starting to clear out, but the cold is starting to come in. Snow for the western UP. Let's go a little further into about midnight Friday morning. You can see a lot of snow coming down for just about all areas. This will be greatly lake enhanced because we'll have strong winds going over those lake waters with very cold air coming by. Once we go a little further into Friday morning here at 9 o'clock, some of the snow does still exist out there in the lower peninsula, probably just enough along with the flash freeze to cause some really slick road conditions out there. Lake effect off to the north, and that'll start to clear out as we go throughout time. But temperatures, they are definitely going to be a little bit on the colder side for us. Let's take a look at how those are going to come crashing down. As we're headed out the door Thursday morning, this is 10 o'clock in the morning, so I guess we're kind of already where we need to be. But lots of 40s out there. Some of us flirt with 50. This is going to be paused right here at about 3 in the afternoon, and again, some of us will make a run at 50 degrees. But I'm going to go into the evening here and look how fast these numbers crash down. By midnight, we're down into the single digits in the western UP. Teens starting to enter portions of the lower peninsula as well, and into Friday morning at 8 o'clock right here, single digits for the UP, teens for just about everyone else with some 20s, and again, the wind will be howling out there, so wind chills are going to be extremely cold. So anything liquid will freeze. Wind chills, as you can see here, indicated by the teals and the whitish color, is sub-zero, and the purple is above zero. So really, single digits either side of zero. It's just going to be brutally cold out there after such a warm, rainy, thunderstormy start to the system. But those wind gusts could be 50, 55 miles per hour, so some sporadic power outages are possible. And again, the roads will likely be a sheet of ice for many of us, so really try your best to stay safe out there.